Today we are talking about things guys do that girls absolutely love. I don't know why I'm so giddy today. Thinking of boys just makes me, well, that's for later. Anyways, now let's get on with the things girls love. Number 1, complimenting a girl out of nowhere. Guys, girls love this. You don't want it to feel forced though. Like you don't want to be walking and just loudly blurt out, "I like your knees." Let's be real. Nobody just likes knees. Say she looks sexy, compliment her in her eyes, or notice a new haircut goes a long way too. Number 2, stroke your girl's hair. When you stroke a girl's hair, she melts. It just feels nice, you know? Tip number 3, when he doesn't treat you differently around his friends. This is a big turn on. You want to know that he keeps it 100 at all times. That means in front of his friends, family, coworkers, and anything in between. Tip number 4, takes initiative to do something cute. It doesn't have to be a grand gesture, but surprise her with flowers from time to time. Even opening the car door or pulling out a chair when she sits. Little things, guys, it's the little things. Tip number 5, send cute good morning and good night texts. This isn't essential for all girls, but sometimes it's nice to have a little love boost to start or finish your day. Again, not saying it's necessary, but it definitely lets a girl know you're thinking about her. Tip number 6, girls love when guys smell good. A great smelling guy is an absolute plus. Smelling bad is just don't smell bad and it won't be an issue. And never ever put on too much cologne. No girl wants you smelling like the entire Abercrombie and Fitch store. Tip number 7, don't be afraid to be weird with a girl. I'm weird and chances are so are a lot of other girls. Don't be embarrassed to do something weird with her. Whether it's an embarrassing selfie or dance routine, don't be afraid to be weird. Tip number 8, when he hugs you from behind. Absolutely my favorite thing a guy can do. It makes me feel comforted, sexy, like I'm wanted, you know? And it gets me a little, well, you know. Tip number 9, kiss on the forehead or cheek. Don't know why girls like this so much, but I don't know. It just makes us feel special or loved or cute or something. Whew. Is it hot in here or is it just me? So, those are just some of the things girls love, gentlemen. Hope you had your notepads out, or I guess you could just rewatch this video again and again. Duh. That's all for now. I'm Kat, and I'll see you next time.